Hi, welcome to the employee training expenses tracker. So here we have got a training dashboard which presents two different views, that is the training overview and the employee records. Under the training overview, we can get an overview of all the different trainings that we are supposed to attend for each of the employees. So for each and every individual training, you can see the training date when the employees were supposed to attend the training and the employees count. So this reflects how many employees were supposed to attend the training, and then there is a percentage of attendance. So this indicates how many employees have attended the training, and then we have got a training expense for each of the training. So all this information will be editable and customizable by the different parameters that we have at the bottom, which I'll be explaining in a while. And after this, we have an employee record section where we have listed out different employees as per the different departments that they work in. If you want to edit a particular department, you can click on this department and start editing out the information. It will change the department name, but I will just set it back to what it was. If you want to add a new department, you can hold this slider to the right, click on this plus, you will be able to add a new department over here. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And after this, what we can do is, if you see under the department section, so we'll just drag this particular employee to the finance side. It got listed over there. So what you can see over here is each and every individual employee reflects the total number of trainings that they've attended. So here we have Steve, which reflects the Steve has attended 2 out of 3 trainings. So this shows a quick overview of how many trainings that they had and how many trainings they attended. And then obviously we have a percentage of attendance. Then we have a next training date where you can simply click and specify the next date when they are supposed to attend the next training. So you can choose any date over here, and once you choose that, you can see the number of days that is remaining from today's date until the next training date. This can be done quickly. Another quick hack is, if you click on this 3 dot and move any particular employee under a different department, it will automatically shift to that specific department. So this is one quick customization that you can do under this view. On the left, we have an expenses overview which reflects total expenses that was incurred for all the trainings that we have had and the number of trainings that we have had. So basically it is a summation of all the different trainings, the count of all the different trainings. Then it indicates how many employees were supposed to attend the training. So we have got 3 employees and it is showing the 3 employee records. And then finally we have an average expense. This means how much of expense you incurred per employee. So this automatically updates as and when you will enter the transaction details at the bottom, which we will be looking now. So once you scroll down, you have 3 different views: the training records, employee details, and the training expenses. So first we'll look at the employee details. Here obviously we have the employees under different departments as we discussed over here. In order to add an employee record, you can click on this add employee. It will automatically add an employee under no department view since we have not categorized it. You can click on this 3 dot and move it anywhere and place it under any department. It will automatically be added. In order to edit the employee details, you can click on this edit button and start typing out the employee name. It will automatically update the employee records then and there. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly delete this. After this, if you go to the training record section on the left, here you can find all the training sessions that were attended by the employee. So for each of the training, we can set the date when the training is supposed to happen, and then we can feed in the training details, what is supposed to be added over here, and then we can select the employee. So once you click on this, you can select any particular employees over here. You can even edit the employee records by going to this particular database and editing the employee records over here by typing out the employee name, or you can even add a new employee record over here. Okay, but I'll suggest not doing it like this, but rather using this quick action button which has been given on the left to add an employee. So once this is done, you can choose a particular training that the employee was supposed to attend. Again, this is also editable, and you can go to this training database to edit all the training details over here. Okay, so let us go back. So once you assign particular employees for a training, you can put the training reference over here, and then you can use this checkbox to indicate if these employees have attended the training or not. So if you see over here, for training 1, we have got 2 different rows. One is the row where it lists out 1 employee which is not attended, and then we have the other employees who have attended. So this signifies that 3 employees were supposed to attend training 1, 2 have attended and 1 has not attended, and this is how you can update. Now if you see the training records over here, training 1 indicates the attendance as 67%. So if I just click on this checkbox, it shows that all employees have attended, meaning Steve, Joe and Sam, 3 have attended the training. And if I uncheck the second one, so 1 out of 3 has attended, so it will show 33% attendance record. So this updates automatically by however you do it, and you can tag multiple employees over here as well. So as you add more employees, you can quickly tag over here and it will automatically update. So this is how you set the employee training records. In order to add a training record, always use this quick action button, add training. It will automatically add a new training, and you can start adding all the details as we discussed and feeding all the information. Okay, so I'm going to quickly delete this. Now once everything is added in this particular view, you can jump to the training expenses section, where once you've added the training record, you can see all the trainings over here and the particular expenses that has been incurred. You can click this pencil icon over here and you can edit any expense information over here, and it will automatically update. So just to give a demonstration, for training 3 we have incurred an expense of $1,400. If I click on this pencil icon, let me do it once again. So if I click on this pencil icon, you can come over here then and you can edit this information. So I'm just as an example, I'm putting $1,800. Now you can see it got updated over here. So this allows you to quickly edit the training records. Now this view can also be changed. You can click on this 3 dot and you can change this view to table view, where you can quickly edit the information over here as well. So I'll just reset it back to the previous view. So this is how you can use this employee training expenses tracker to completely customize this dashboard as per the requirement. Now one thing to tell you over here is all the currencies can be changed. If you want to change a particular currency, you can obviously go to this currency settings. So what I'll do is I'll click on this, I'll just change it to the tabular view, and I'll click over here and I'll click edit property, and you can see that the number format is showing as US dollars. Click on this and you can change it to any currency of your choice. Okay, and besides this, if you want to change currency in the dashboard on the top, you can click on any of this information and you can change the currency over here. As you can see, the dollar sign is put in the formula. So this is again entirely customizable and it can be suited to your own requirement. If you have any specific needs as to this, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this and explain you further on how to use this. And if you have any other questions, please comment down below this video. I'll be happy to answer all the questions. So that's it for the video. Thank you.